everyone, this is a review of my Swiss Army knife collection. All of them are Victorinox knives. Let's start out with the 91mm versions. This is a Spartan. It is a nice black color. A small blade, larger blade, cap lifter, and flathead screwdriver. Can opener and Phillips head screwdriver. We have the corkscrew and a reamer with a sewing eye. On the back you have a feature that will be featured in most of these knives, a toothpick and tweezers. Next we have a Tinker in the trademark red cutter. It has most of the features of the last knife, the Spartan, except with a Phillips head instead of a corkscrew. Next we have a classic SD, which is the 58mm knives. Inside we have a yellow pocket knife. It's a yellow cutter. Right. You have a small blade with the patent right there. A nail file with nail cleaner, clean your nails. On the back we have these scissors, which are very useful for opening letters or anything like that. We have the small variant of the tweezers, which is found on most 58mm knives and 78mm knives. We have the small toothpick, which is found on these knives too. Next, we have another 58mm knife. This one is special because it is a special print of the Gadsden flag. You can see it says "Don't tread on me" with a snake. Most of the features of the last knife, as you can see. Today, our final knife is the special edition Shamrock. This is a rare knife because this is the old way of packaging it. I actually got this from my dad. You can see that it's been well used and scratched over the years. Of course, it has a small blade, which you can see has some grime. Nail file, which you can see has been through tough times. See a spot right there. The nail cleaner has seen better days with me. You can kind of see that it is a little bent. Now, scissors are actually the best condition on this tool. Tweezers are actually pretty good for its time of the age of this. They're so shiny. But the toothpick, however, has this weird hue to it. And you can see that because of this weird earwax right here. You can see scratches right there. This model I really like because instead of the traditional Victorinox logo, it has a shamrock. I have got this knife today, but I haven't opened it yet. This is a classic SD Boy Scouts of America knife. Unopened. This is the package you get when you buy it from the store. this is what you get if you buy it from Victorinox. That is the end of this video. Tune in tomorrow for a review on 2 more knives, the Day Packer and the Farmer.